Add XLL as add-in to Excel. I got a XLL file that I can easily add to Excel by doing this. Options is greater than add-ins is greater than browse is greater than double-click. XLL file, it gets imported plus activated, and it remains in my Excel add-ins every time I close and open Excel. This is the manual way I try to replace with a script. PowerShell. This will create an instance of Excel, register the XLL, I get a true in my console, and show the created instance. But when I then go to add-ins, the add-in isn't there. Python. But this behaves like the PowerShell script. So, how can I add my XLL file into Excel to stay there permanently? Any suggestions? Thanks in advance.
Thanks to the link Charles Williams gave me, I was able to do it a little bit different. You can easily create a registry key to let Excel know that it should run the XLL file. This script checks if the XLL file is already named in a registry key. If yes and it has our newest provided version and GT, do nothing. If yes but the version is old and GT, update the registry key's value. If no and GT, create the registry key and set the value to our newest provided version.
I would either add some to the workbook open event to register the XLL. This will work for a specific workbook. Write the registry key for the XLL. Note Excel must be closed whilst you write the registry key. Here is a link to a Lua script to do that. This will show you how, and you can rewrite in the language you want to use. This URL.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.